Yo, what's up? We got an update for the Ableton Push Live Trigger Effects template. This introduces the ability to have momentary encoders. Let's check it out. Okay, so I dragged the template here to an existing project and I routed all my tracks to the master effects route here, and I'm focused on the trigger effects. First, you can see now from the push, we can change the settings here of the top scene launch. So I can change which scene this button launches. I can also change the animation. We changed it to default ping pong, which is this. You can change it for right here. Nice. Now, we don't have to go to the master effects to focus or lock to the Baduda filters audio effect track because there's an issue on the Push 2 and on the Push 3 standalone. I've made a Max for Live companion right here called Baduda filters, so we can just focus on that. And now those effects are working. Also, these encoders are momentary, so as I turn them up and I release them, they jump back to 0. And of course, you can combine them together with it. Nice. Huge thanks to Zig1313 from the Ableton Discord for recommending these momentary encoders. Right here, you also have the settings. You can go in and you can change it to continuous so it doesn't jump back to 0 if you don't want this feature. There is a very slight delay with jumping to 0. It's something I think it's built in. I haven't fixed it yet, but it's very easy to adjust yourself to it and just account for it when using these encoders or momentary encoders. Nice. Update 1.2. Hope you like. I'll catch you next time.